I apologize for not recording every single little thing and every little step that went on. I was so intrigued with watching them work that I forgot to record a lot of the stuff. But anyway, right here, as you see, the couch has already been disassembled, and it took 3 of us to get it out the door, the side door of the van. Man, you talk about a job getting it out. It was a booger, but we finally succeeded. This is the outside looking in through the backside of where the refrigerator used to be. John's still trying to get the rest of the carpet up. He, like I said, took the refrigerator out, and I'm going to use that for 2 jerry cans for water and drainage instead of using the original tank that's in the van. So I tell you, there was a lot of a lot of carpet to take out. It took longer to get everything set up and cleaned out in order to put the laminate down than anything. But it was something else. I had mentioned to John about when he laid down the vinyl flooring, if he could do the inside of that cabinet. He's right in front of him right there, where he took the refrigerator out, and he said he'd already planned on doing that. And I thought, okay. Teach me to give him suggestions. He already thought about it. He was going to do it anyway, so I thought that was pretty nice of him. This, of course, is the doorway looking in from the outside. He's still cleaning all the carpet off, and I'll tell you what, you're going to be shocked when you see this floor after he's finished, and especially around this door area. Right there where he's cutting the carpet out is where the house battery is, and well, you just have to wait and see. I mean, I'm still impressed. I can't believe it. This van looks like it does. It looks like a totally different van inside. Before I forget to tell you, you'll see it later, but anyway, he put the original door to the refrigerator back on the cabinet, believe it or not. That blew me away. Right here, Eddie's getting the floor plates pulled up that held the leg for the table, that they have at dinettes. And, of course, I didn't want them there, and they had to be removed in order to get the vinyl flooring down flat. You'll see just in a minute, you'll see John in the doorway. Right, see that board right there? He's going underneath the van. He's going to hold that board up over that hole after they pull the plates out. And then Eddie's going to drill in and screw in screws to hold that board up underneath to, keep the weather and the water and all that jazz out. So that's what they're doing right there. Preview of what's been going on so far and how far John has gotten. And I tell you what, it's going down fast now. And this looks so good in here. I don't know if you can see John back there. No butt cracks, but he's back here in the hall. He's back here in the hallway, putting the floor in back there. I told him a while ago that good thing that hallway wasn't no narrow, he wouldn't be able to get back here and put that floor down. But they're doing a fantastic job, him and Eddie. They're really doing nice, and I love it. Yep, I'm just not going to put the couch back in. I think I'm just going to get one of them RV chairs. I'll just mount my generator and all that jazz back up there in the back like I planned. I don't know, everything's still up in the air. I got my head is just spinning from what to do with this fan, but this floor is really beautiful. I tell you, it really looks good with this blue interior. Anyway, I'll get back with y'all here in a little bit. Moving on. Okay, sports fans, it's almost time for drum roll, but back there, it's dark back here in that hallway. Let me walk back and see if you can see it. But he just about got the hallway finished. Uh-oh, I'm dropping screws over here. But there's the hallway, the floor, and that's floor light down there, as you can tell. You got that one piece put in there, and then I believe he's going to put molding in here as well. But I'm telling you, this looks pretty. And also, right here where he took the refrigerator out right there, he's going to put the flooring in there as well. Now that, as you can see, that vent back there that was for the refrigerator, I'm going to have to figure out a way to cover that up from the inside so it'll be waterproof, so we can't, you know, get no water in here when it rains and everything. So, but I'm telling you what, God blessed me to no end when I found this man to do my RV work, because he does not do anything halfway. It is right or it's not at all. Back here in the hallway, let me add this. It's not square. He said there's nothing square on this van at all as far as the floor. He made it work. As you can tell, I don't know if you can tell or not, but the dark space right there, it's not straight. But he made it straight when he cut the planks and put them in there, him and Eddie. So they're doing great work. Well, good morning, everybody. This is the next day after the installation of the floor, and as you can see, as I said earlier, the couch is gone and there's the floor. Now, isn't that just beautiful? And as I stated also, I'm not gonna replace the I didn't put the couch back in. In fact, it's out there outside our gate at the dumpster, and I'm sure somebody will pick it up for too long. But anyway, I can't tell you how happy I am with the job that John and Eddie did on this floor. I mean, it is just absolutely beautiful. And it did end up taking the 2 boxes like John said it probably would. The guy at Lowe's said it'd only take 1, but he was wrong. But that's okay. We had enough. And also, this is the entranceway. And that's where, like I said, the battery for the house is right there underneath that little thumb hole board. And you recognize that area because that's where you saw John's butt sticking out, putting in the hallway board. I mean, I just can't say enough about these guys. They were just absolutely perfect. And this is the brand that I put down. It's made by Shaw. Lord knows I've seen many of their trucks going down the road when I was in the trucking industry. But anyway, I just want to show you the final thing. Oh, almost forgot. I mentioned earlier about this refrigerator. Yes, John and Eddie took that out as well. And he even put the flooring inside inside the where the refrigerator used to be. That plate you see laying there goes on the door. I'm gonna sand it and repaint it, and then I'll screw it back down. I just think that just neat as all get out that John put that door back on there. Looks like I got a refrigerator, but I don't. And like I said earlier in the video, that I'm gonna be using that for the 2 jerry cans, one for fresh water and one for drain. I just don't trust this old water tank that's in this van. I mean, you know, it's been in here since 1989 when they built this thing, and I don't know, I really don't trust being able to clean it out enough to where it'd be usable. I just don't want to take that chance of catching something, you know, that was in the tank that broke loose after I thought I had cleaned it out. So I'm just gonna go with the jerry cans like a lot of people do in a fresh build and a ProMaster, and go that route. Now, as far as this area right here, let me step back out of the door a little bit if I don't trip and fall on my fat butt. But anyway, no, that ain't gonna work. I got a shadow behind me. Let me get back in there. Okay, as far as this room right here, this space I have right here underneath the side window on the driver's side, I did buy a chair that converts to a futon bed, and when it's not being used as a bed, it was like you know, a lounge chair. But going this way, it extended past about right there on the driver's seat, so that wouldn't work. It was 72 inches long. So I'm probably going to get, I might go to Goodwill. They got furniture and stuff there, and I might see what they got. But if not, I'll order something online that I can put between that wall and extend it towards the door, you know, with this seat turned around like it is right here. So I'll get something. And as I said, whatever I use, I can get a TV tray to use for my laptop to edit videos and that sort of thing. And back here is where I'm going to mount the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3600 watt generator, and the cooler that I'm going to rebuy again, because the last one I bought from New Air would not work as far as setting the temperature. It wouldn't do it. But I'm going to mount that back here and use this for storage. So that's the plan for right now. I do have to drill a hole back there to run the the shore power cord up through into here, so I can plug it into the EcoFlow to charge the battery. And I'm still looking for somebody that could put on like a 400 watt solar panel on the roof on this fiberglass top. So, but anyway, folks, there it is. Again, kudos and shout out to John at Cornerstone RV Repair. The man is just phenomenal. I mean, I just can't say enough good about him. I mean, he's a wonderful person and funny. He's fun to be around, and he's a joy to work with, I'll tell you. I felt bad because I sat on my butt most of the time just watching them, because I was in such awe of their work. And he told me right before he left, he said, "Now don't forget to make that bid, send me that video." I said, "I will." Anyway, y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye now.